All right, welcome back to There Is No America Without Erica, and we all need a little Erica in our life, okay? Like, come on now. Anyways, so apparently Russia has like the new rifle, a new cartridge, and somehow we're all supposed to be impressed. And I'm just sitting here like, are we though? Because once you actually look at what this thing is, and more importantly, what it isn't, this whole story starts falling apart pretty freaking fast. But before we get into that, I do want to say thank you to everyone supporting the channel. Everything you pick up from onlytechnicalfans.myshopify.com store generally helps keeps this going. We've got like MREs, tourniquets, all kinds of stuff over there, stuff you should probably have anyways. So if you've been meaning to grab something, now's a good time. All right. Now, let's get into it. So Russia is working on this new cartridge called the 602-41, and it's supposed to go into this new rifle called the AK-22. And on paper, it sounds like a big deal. New caliper, new rifle, supposedly better range, better penetration. That's what she said. Just kidding. I don't know if we should put that in there. Anyways, more modern style. Basically their version of the US XM7 and the 6.8 program. So cool, except when you actually dig into it, it's not really that impressive. So let's start with the cartridge. This 602-41 is basically Russia trying to solve a problem they've had forever. 545 is light, fast, low recoil, but kind of weak at distance. 762 hits harder, but it drops more and recoils more. So their idea is let's split the difference. Make one round that does both jobs. More range than 545, flatter than 762, still controllable. Sounds great, right? Yeah, except everyone has tried this before. NATO tried it, the Soviets tried it multiple times, and it almost never actually replaces anything. Because what you end up with is like a round that's decent at everything and not great at anything. And here's where it really starts to fall apart. This new round, it doesn't even really outperform 545 in a meaningful way until you start getting past about 300 meters. And I don't know who needs to hear this, but most modern combat is not happening like that. Let's talk reality for a second. In Ukraine, right now, modern war, real data, small arms account for roughly 4 to 5% of casualties. 4 to 5%. Everything else? Artillery, drones, explosives. So we're sitting here arguing about a cartridge that performs better at 400, 500, 600 meters. When rifles are responsible for a tiny fraction of what's actually killing people on the battlefield, that's the disconnect. And then you look at the rifle itself, the AK-22, and yeah, it looks modern. Rails, better optics, mounting, suppressor, setups, cool. Basically an upgraded AK-12. But here's the problem. Russia hasn't even fully rolled out the AK-12. Optics are still inconsistent, gear standardization is still all over the place, and now we're talking about replacing all of that with a new rifle and a new cartridge, and at the same time, that's not a small upgrade. That's a logistical nightmare. So what this really looks like is not a next generation service rifle, it looks like a prototype, a concept, something that exists on paper and maybe in small test batches, but not something you're gonna see widely fielded anytime soon. And honestly, that's probably the smartest way to look at it, because when you zoom out, it'd be cool to zoom out and then zoom in on me. The entire conversation around next-gen rifles starts to look kind of outdated. Modern infantry rifles don't need to be better at 800 meters. They need to be good at close quarters, fast handling, reliability, working with optics, working at night, being lightweight, being simple, being something you can actually supply at scale, because the rifle today, it's not the main weapon system anymore. It's what you use when everything else goes sideways, when you're close, when it's personal, when you don't have a drone overhead or artillery on standby. That's when it matters. And that's why this whole we need more power, more range, more penetration thing starts to feel a little disconnected from reality. Because both Russia and the US with the XM7 are trying to make rifles better at things that matter less instead of focusing on what actually wins fights today. And look, I'm not saying rifles don't matter. They do. CQB matters. Urban fighting matters. Clearing buildings matter. But that's exactly the point. None of that requires some brand new super cartridge. So when you look at the AK-22 and the 602-41 together, this isn't some revolutionary leap forward. It's an attempt, an idea, and what if we could do this? But until it actually shows up in real numbers, in real units, in real combat, that's all it is. And I think that's the biggest takeaway here. Everyone's racing to build the next infantry rifle, while the battlefield has already moved on. All right, guys, before I get out of here, again, a huge thank you to everyone supporting the channel. If you want to check out the Only Tactical Fans store, grab an MRE, grab a tourniquet, grab something useful. I generally appreciate it. And if you're ordering anything off of Amazon, don't forget that there is a link down in the description. And even when you click on our link, you don't have to buy anything from a store. Just because you clicked on that link and gonna buy what you're already gonna buy, we get a little kickback off of that, and it truly does help. All right, let me know what you guys think about this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. We all need a lyric. All right, welcome back to the... We're not gonna start this out like this. No, we're not. No. All right, welcome back to There Is No... Keep on and... That sucks. I can't do it like that. Better penetration. I'm thinking about being penetrated right now. Maybe that's why I stumbled. Anyways, Soviets. NATO tried it. The Soviets tried it. Artillery. Modern infantry. I mean, I guess like if you're not getting penetrated, you probably are going to be disconnected from reality. Oh, shit. Erica. All right. Let me know what you guys think for this.